In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your WhatsApp business account to a Facebook page step by step. Connecting WhatsApp Business to your Facebook page is a great way to make it easier for customers to contact you directly from Facebook, improve communication, and even run ads that send people straight to WhatsApp conversations. The setup process is quick and simple, and in this guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to do. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Log into the account that manages the Facebook page you want to connect with WhatsApp Business. Once you're logged in, open the Facebook page connected to your business. After entering the page, look for the Settings option. Depending on your Facebook layout, you may find it in the left side menu or under the Manage Page section. Click on Settings to open your page configuration options. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section called WhatsApp or Linked Accounts. Click on it to begin the connection process. Facebook will then ask you to enter the phone number connected to your WhatsApp business account. Type your WhatsApp business phone number carefully, including the correct country code. After entering the number, click Send Code. Facebook will send a verification code directly to your WhatsApp business account through the WhatsApp app. Now open WhatsApp Business on your phone and check for the verification message. Copy the code you received and return to Facebook. Enter the verification code into the confirmation box and continue. Once the code is verified successfully, your WhatsApp Business account will officially be linked to your Facebook page. After the connection is complete, visitors on your page will be able to contact your business directly through WhatsApp using a clickable button on your profile. You can also customize the WhatsApp button placement and messaging settings directly from your Facebook page options. This is especially useful for businesses that handle customer support, sales inquiries, bookings, or lead generation through WhatsApp conversations. Another major advantage of linking WhatsApp Business to your Facebook page is the ability to run click-to-WhatsApp ads inside Meta Ads Manager. These ads allow potential customers to instantly start a conversation with your business through WhatsApp after clicking your advertisement. If you ever need to disconnect or change the WhatsApp number later, you can return to the same WhatsApp settings section on your Facebook page and update the connection at any time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to link WhatsApp Business to a Facebook page. This integration can help improve customer communication, increase engagement, and make it much easier for people to reach your business directly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more WhatsApp, Facebook, and digital marketing tutorials.